How to add product on ipshopy? Then this video for you. Step 1. Visit to ipshopy.com and click on Business Center and sign in your ID and password. Step 2. Go to Seller Dashboard and click on Manufacturer option.
Insound.com.
Step 3. Go to Product option and click on Add New Option button.
Insound.com.
Step 4. Fill all information about your product.
Insound.com. 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 Insound.com.
Step 5. Please wait for your product approval after listing to ipshopy team. Congratulations!
Insound.com.
Your product has been successfully added to ipshopy.